warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Salsabila, student ID number 64250961, class 641B07, Faculty of Economics and Business, majoring in Management. Today, I will share my opinion about smoking on campus. What do you think about smoking? Smoking is bad for health and dangerous for the lung. Exactly. Smoking is very harmful to ourselves and also to others who breathe in the smoke. These days, it's not just adults who smoke, even teenagers and underage children do too. As you know, cigarette packets have pictures showing the dangers of smoking. From what I've seen, many smokers don't care where they smoke, like smoking when driving can be dangerous to others, and also smoking in areas where it's not allowed, such as campuses, because many people can be exposed to cigarette smoke. I think there should be a smoking area, so smokers can have their own space and non-smokers can enjoy fresh air without cigarette smoke. I'll let you know about the harmful effects of smoking in campus area. In my opinion, smoking on campus area should not be allowed, because cigarette smoke not only has a negative impact for smokers, but also disrupts the comfort and health for non-smokers. These effects can make it hard to breathe, cause coughing, and someone who's often around cigarette smoke can get health problems. Campuses should be places of learning that support healthy lifestyle and clean environments, free from cigarette smoke and cigarette butts. Can you imagine in a campus area that's supposed to be clean and comfortable? It's actually full of cigarette smoke that can affect the concentration and health of many people. Smokers who are addicted to cigarette often struggle to quit. This habit can mess up your health like lung cancer and even death. Some students think smoking helps them relax where they are stressful. A few factors push someone to smoke like their friends group and personality pressure. Sadly, many teenagers don't get enough education about the dangers of smoking. In my point of view, people who smoke on campus should have a sense of responsibility and concern, and not just prioritize their own interests. Campus should be smoke-free zone, and there needs to be a strict rules to stop smoking on campus.
6 hours later, tomorrow, the next day, 2,000 years later.
And then I will present and explain the topic I have chosen, the question words. What are question words? Question words in English, we use WH words to ask about different types of information. WH words are those that use question words like what, where, when, who, why, which, was, whom, how. In this picture, there is a question words like who, what, where, when, why, how, which, was, and whom. The first one is what. Use what when to ask about things or information. Example, what do you think about the show? Awesome! I've never seen a show like that before. The second is where. Use where when to ask about a place. Example, where is your hometown? My hometown in Bali. The third is when. Use when to ask about a time. Example, when did she arrive in Edinburgh? She arrived in Edinburgh yesterday. Fourth is who. Use who when to ask about a people. Example, who is that guy? He is a Korean actor. The fifth is why. Use why when to ask about a reason. Example, why did you call me last night? Because I'm so bored. The sixth is which. Use which when to ask about a choice. Example, which dress should I choose? The red one or the black one? I think the red one suits you. The seventh is whose. Use whose when to ask about a ownership. Example, whose bag is this? It's mine. I left it on the table. The eighth is whom. Use whom when to ask the person or people being affected by an action. Example, whom did you meet yesterday? I meet my friends. The ninth is how. Use how to ask about a method or condition. Example, how can you improve public speaking skills? I often practice from the internet. For condition, how was your holiday? It was amazing. I really enjoyed it. Question words how. There are a number other expressions that are used in question, like how old, how many, how much, how often, how long, how far. How old. Use how old to ask about how old that person. Example, how old your grandmother? My grandmother is 60 years old. How many? Use how many to ask about countable quantity. Example, how many books do you have? I have 10 books. How much? Use how much to ask about uncountable quantity. Example, how much these pens? They are $3. How often? Use how often to ask about frequency. Example, how often do you study? I usually study for 30 minutes a day. How long? Use how long to ask about how does it take times. Example, how long you live here? I live here since 5 years ago. How far? Use how far to ask about distance and space between one place and another. Example, how far your house from campus? It's about 5 kilometers. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry for my pronunciation. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.